Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize connect Google Sheets to AppSheet apps step by step clearly. Open your Google Sheets document. In the top right corner, click on the Share button. Ensure the document is shared with the email address associated with your AppSheet account. Once shared, open your AppSheet account in your web browser. Log into your AppSheet account if you haven't already. Click on My Apps in the main dashboard. Select the app you want to connect to Google Sheets. In the App Editor, go to the Data section on the left sidebar. Click on Tables to view the list of tables in your app. Select Add a new table or click on an existing table you want to link with Google Sheets. In the Data Source options, choose the Google Sheets option. A prompt will appear asking for authorization to connect to Google Sheets. Click on the Authorize button to proceed. You will be redirected to a Google sign-in page. Sign in using the Google account that has access to the Sheets document. You may receive a message asking for permission to allow AppSheet to access your data. Review the permissions, and, once authorized, return to the AppSheet editor. You should now see the Google Sheets document listed as a data source. Select the specific sheet you wish to use from the document. Click on Save to finalize the connection. Check the data in your AppSheet app to ensure it has synced correctly. You have now successfully connected Google Sheets to your AppSheet app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.